Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. There's nothing I like better than a cup of tea and a good cupcake. So I decided to put together these pumpkin swirl cheesecake cupcakes. Incredibly delicious. The hint of fall in them, you're gonna love them. So let me walk you through this. Okay, we're going to start off by making the base of the crust, and to do this I am going to use half a cup of crushed graham crackers, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is unsalted butter, people always ask, a tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just going to take my fork and mix this until I get a nice mixture. And what you want is a sandy mixture, something like this, and this looks so good, guys. I think I'll get my umbrella, my pina colada, and make a bunch more and lay in it. Next up, what I'm going to do is take a heaping tablespoon and put it in a muffin liner. Then I'm going to use the bottom of a flat surface and just kind of press this down nicely. Now my next favorite part in the whole wide world, the cheesecake. So I'm going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want this at room temperature. And I'm going to take my handy dandy mixer and mix this until it's smooth and creamy. So you want a consistency something like this. Then I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take my mixer and mix it once again until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add an egg white and mix this gently over low speed. You don't want it over mixed until it's well incorporated. Our last mixture is going to be the pumpkin swirl, so I'm going to take half a cup of pumpkin puree, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice, just a couple of pinches. Take my spatula and mix this up. That pumpkin and cinnamon smells so good. Then I'm going to divide the cheesecake mixture in half and place it into the tray. And I'll just kind of spread this out carefully. Then I'm going to cover it with a bit of the pumpkin puree and gently give this a spread out. Next I'm going to top this off with a final layer of the cheesecake mixture. Now that we're all smoothed out here, I'm going to take a little bit more of our pumpkin swirl and just kind of place it onto the cupcake. And I'm going to make about, I'd say, 3 dots here. Then I'm just going to kind of swirl this around just to get a fancy effect. It's a bit meticulous, but believe me, the outcome is well worth it. Now we're all swirled up, and doesn't this look great, guys? And I'm going to slip these into a 300 degree Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius preheated oven for about 23 to 25 minutes. After about 23 to 25 minutes, they're done, and just look at these. Don't they look beautiful? And there you have it, our pumpkin swirl cheesecake muffins. Absolutely delicious. So let's have a peek inside. Oh my goodness, just look at these layers. Guys, this is so good. The richness, the spices just shine through. Oh, I'm going to get my teapot out and have another one of these. You got to make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great baking stuff over there, all kinds of great stuff in general. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.